Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can use call activities to speed up modeling times and make complex processes easier to read and understand. Imagine how much time it would take to model a complex global process like this one from start to end. It's complicated and it's incredibly hard to read and understand. Here's the same process, only this time those same processes are reduced to a call activity that references a process in another diagram. The visual clutter is gone. The model is no less complex but so much easier to understand. The same process can be referenced multiple times. To add a call activity to your diagram, select it in the element palette, then drag and drop it onto the diagram. To reference a process in the call activity, open the Attributes panel, and in the Called Elements tab, select the process from the list. Processes that are referenced in a call activity are starred. If you've selected the wrong diagram, click Unset. And that's how you use call activities to remove clutter and model faster. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.